If you're over 60 and noticing weaker legs, shrinking arms, or a general feeling of frailty, you're not alone. But what if there was a simple natural ingredient that could help rebuild your muscle, even without exercise? New research reveals one powerful nutrient can stimulate muscle repair and slow sarcopenia, the silent muscle loss that sneaks up on us as we age. Today we're diving into this incredible nutrient, how it works, and how you can use it every day to stay strong and independent. Meet HMB, short for beta-hydroxy-beta-methylbutyrate, a natural compound your body makes in small amounts derived from leucine, an amino acid found in high-protein foods like eggs and chicken. But here's the catch: as we age, our ability to produce and use HMB declines sharply, leaving us vulnerable to muscle loss. While younger bodies efficiently convert leucine into HMB, older bodies struggle. Plus, aging muscles develop anabolic resistance, making it harder to maintain strength. Here's the good news: HMB has been shown to preserve and rebuild muscle, even without heavy workouts. HMB reduces muscle breakdown and stimulates muscle growth through the same pathway activated by resistance training. It even helps repair damaged muscle cells and rejuvenates satellite cells, the body's natural muscle repair system. Studies show seniors taking HMB maintained muscle mass during bed rest and gained strength, even without exercise. Without intervention, seniors can lose 5 to 10% of their muscle mass in just 1 week of inactivity. But HMB provides a metabolic shield. The recommended dose? 1.5 to 3 grams daily, split into 2 or 3 servings for steady muscle support. Of course, it's most powerful when combined with nutritious foods. Here are 7 foods that naturally support muscle maintenance and enhance HMB's effects. Packed with leucine, it offers steady HMB precursors, especially when eaten before bed. Triple the protein of regular yogurt, it provides both fast and slow-digesting proteins. Whole eggs supply highly bioavailable protein and crucial nutrients like vitamin D. Rich in leucine and anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. High in leucine, iron and creatine, perfect for muscle strength and function. Delivers a rapid spike in HMB production, ideal post-activity. A complete plant protein with essential minerals for muscle contraction and recovery. Building stronger, more resilient muscles starts today. By combining HMB with these foods, you fight sarcopenia and maintain independence. Remember, muscle loss isn't inevitable. Small, consistent changes like adding cottage cheese at bedtime or eggs for breakfast can make a big difference. Whether you're 65 or 85, your body can still respond to the right nutrition and movement. Your strength is your independence. Protect it. Start today.